Taxonomy categorizes organisms into hierarchical groups and equips students with tools for studying biodiversity effectively, deepening their understanding of the living world. The taxonomic category, order, assembles families with shared characteristics. Examples include Carnivora, Felidae, Canidae, for animals or Polynomials for plants. Class ranks higher than order, grouping related orders, like primates and carnivores in Mammalia, enhancing our understanding of biological similarities. Phylum groups related classes, such as Chordta, which includes mammals, reptiles, and amphibians, equivalent in plants is division. Kingdoms, including Animalia and Plantae, categorize organisms broadly, encompassing diverse phyla or divisions. Taxonomy ascends from specific, species, to broad, kingdom, with subcategories aiding in precise classifications. Lower taxa share more characteristics, higher categories grow complex, challenging relational understanding in taxonomy. A chart demonstrating taxonomic placement of organisms like humans, houseflies, mangoes, and wheat emphasizes biological diversity. Taxonomy supports agriculture, forestry, and biodiversity studies through precise organism classification and understanding bioresources. Taxonomic identification involves laboratory analysis, field studies, specimen collection, and data storage for future research. A herbarium stores dried and classified plant specimens, offering descriptive records for systematic study. Herbarium sheets detail a plant's taxonomy, collector, location, and botanical information, creating a robust repository for study. Herbaria preserve plant biodiversity, serve research, and offer reference systems for historical and taxonomical insights. Botanical gardens house living plant collections labeled with their taxonomic details, serving as educational and research aids. Globally significant botanical gardens include KW, England, Indian Botanical Garden, Havara, and NBRI, Lucknow. Biological museums preserve plant and animal specimens through methods like storing in jars or preparing dry and stuffed specimens. Specimens include preserved insects, dry plants, and taxidermy of larger animals, aiding hands-on learning for students. Taxonomic aids bolster proper organism identification, species classification, research, and education in biology. Taxonomic complexity increases at higher ranks, where fewer shared traits and evolving classification systems complicate biodiversity studies. Taxonomy underpins biodiversity, conservation, and medical research, emphasizing its enduring significance as we expand biological knowledge.